Hey guys, welcome to Bite Me. Greetings from the depths of the TikTok ban. I was 7 days. They gave me 7 days TikTok actual jail. And I don't mean shadow ban jail. I mean I could not post shit for 7 days. It was ridiculous. Why? For bullying and harassing a certain ethnicity which shall not be named. Oh wait, we're here on my podcast where I can say what the hell I want. Yeah, it was for bullying white men. White men turned me in so relentlessly that they banned me for 7 days. Which, I just want to remind everyone that you can't be racist against the white man. You can only be prejudiced against the white man. You can't oppress the oppressor. White culture is oppression. So, for TikTok to enable that sort of victimization that they are creating, that they're telling TikTok that they're being a victim of the situation, that's TikTok further perpetuating the issue that we seek to fight against. So it's like them basically saying that racism is okay. I think a lot of creators feel the same way. But, TikTok got taken over by Larry Ellison, and some things changed, and I know a lot of creators going through it right now, so, they're going to have a class action lawsuit on their hands here eventually. Banning, kind of is par for the course when you're a creator, and I'm told that we can expect more of that, and as we continue to navigate white fragility and the male ego, I think it's going to be an interesting next 4 years, but we'll see. Enough talk about that. Enough talk about white male rantings. We did that in the last couple of episodes. No, today we're going to talk the stock market. I am a stock market investor. Pause for reaction. I know. I don't look very savvy in the money department, but I do all right, honestly. Even a broken clock's right twice a day. But in all reality, I'm actually really well versed in the prediction of the stock market based on very simple human psychology and my own personal experiences, as well as being a middle-class American. Am I rich? No. Will I have a retirement account? Yeah, probably. Which is why I also encourage you to invest in a Roth IRA as well. But the stock market's like gambling. No, not exactly. Not if you know what you're doing. That said, some investors do gamble. Insert GameStop. The stock market investors who do gamble are called short sellers. And GameStop is really royally fucking up their shit right now. And I'm going to tell you why. Short sellers are gamblers, see also leeches, who make money on a company going down the tubes, filing bankruptcy, or seeing its stock prices fall in a big way. They want the price to fall in order for them to make money, so rather than buy low, sell high, they're going to sell high first, then buy it low when the price goes down. Essentially, they're betting on the company to fail. And if that doesn't happen, it increases in price. And for some reason, as in the case of GameStop, short sellers are forced to buy back the stock to close out their losing positions, boosting demand for the stock in question. That is called a short squeeze. Most of you on the other end of this right now are going, huh? So let me just put it in layman's terms, all right? Graham Campbell of highsnobiety.com puts it like this. Let's say 5 bananas currently cost $10. One ape on the market has 5 bananas. Snakes asks to borrow 5 bananas for a bit and instead sells the 5 bananas, thinking the price will go down soon. Shorting. He thinks he can buy them later for less and give them back to ape, so he makes a profit on the difference. A group of apes notice what stupid snakes are doing and decide to buy all the bananas on the market until the snakes have no other choice than to buy from the group of apes in order to return what they borrowed. That's GameStop, okay? If the group of apes stays strong, then the banana price will go up. There is a multi-billion-dollar hedge fund snake that has shorted GameStop. They've bet that the stock price will go down. People on Wall Street Bets, apes, noticed this and told everyone that if they buy GameStop stock, this hedge fund will lose billions of dollars. This is starting to come true. And that's it in a nutshell. I don't have a better way to give it to you than that. Basically, what is happening is stock market investors that are short sellers are gambling with our money. And it's not illegal for them to do it. GameStop decided they were going to go on Reddit and create a forum to communicate with each other. And that they were going to do what the short sellers are doing. These gamers are not unintelligent. They're actually highly intelligent. And they understand what's going on. They just don't have an interest in it, you know? And since everything was going the way it was with the pandemic and the government's completely failed us, they decided, well, you know what, let's fuck them back. And that's exactly what they did. They went in, they fucked up their shit. I will not lie to you, when all that went down, and it's gone down twice now, I lost a shitload. Like, I bought when stocks were really low when the market crashed in March, and like, I made back about 10 times what I invested. And then when GameStop threw a wrench in it, holy shit, it was a sad day. I mean, I still had profited at that point, but you know what? I wasn't angry or bitter about it, because that's the people taking the power back. That's threatening the powers that be by saying, you know what, there's no you without us. So even though I lost some, I was for the cause. And then you saw, you know, some of the GameStop Redditors pulled out early, so that kind of messed up their whole shit. And then they had the second debacle where the GameStop CEO just put an ice cream cone on Reddit, and all of them started buying again. It's funny to watch, you know. Basically, they're taking these tycoons who have all of our money, they're really fucking up their whole plan and showing them that, you know, even online, as a group, we the people are powerful. It's the revolution, you know. What GameStop trend is more than just them messing around with the stock market. Like, it is the revolution. And it's a big fuck you to the people who are playing with our money. And nothing about what the Redditors, the GameStop Redditors did or are doing is illegal. All they're doing, and I've talked about this in previous episodes, they're just playing a better game. Okay, them doing this doesn't mean that you shouldn't invest. It's not the end of the stock market by a long shot. In fact, I would argue that so long as you diversify your portfolio and assets, which means buy different things, don't buy all of one thing. Don't just go in there, buy a shitload of GameStop stock. You need to buy different stocks for different things that you're interested in, things that you can predict that you know about. Like, if you know a lot about the tech market, purchase in the tech market. I do Airbnb. If you know about Airbnb, purchase Airbnb stock, stuff like that. But now more than ever, I would argue, is the right time to open a brokerage account. You're not going to see rates this low again. So if you have money, and I know none of us do right now, but if you've got a little to invest, you know, it might be worth your while to go ahead and throw some money in there. It's going to take time. Money is shifting, all right? You need to know that. Like, this whole market's it's shifting now. You see interest rates fluctuating and the rich becoming not as rich and some of the poor rising up. And then, you know, then you have the whole rich becoming richer. Just money is shifting. So, I mean, you may as well get a piece of the pie, right? So that's GameStop stocks in a nutshell. Hopefully that was clear as mud. For more information on how to invest in the stock market, you can Google how to invest in the stock market and click on nerdwallet.com, or check out the beginner's guide to the stock market on investing on investopedia.com. As always, please check out the Truthful Groomer website. The link tree is in my bio. Always go follow me on Twitter and Insta, and please see my merch on Teespring. If you don't have a stock market account, you can get one on Charles Schwab. The GameStop Redditors used Robinhood. There's a few others out there, but make sure that before you invest, you do a little bit of research. Don't just go balls to the wall in it. I will tell you, aside from the stock market, another thing that is going to start fluctuating up is going to be cryptocurrency. So if you got $100, I'd go throw it into Bitcoin right now. You can go to Coinbase and get some Bitcoin. You don't have to just buy Bitcoin to go buy like illicit things on the dark web. Okay, it doesn't have to be for that. Like, you can invest in that too. I did recently. I strongly suggest you do too. Again, the money game is changing, so get in on it while you can. You know, plan a future for yourself for the next 4 years ahead. God only knows. CPAC, don't even get me started talking about Trump getting elected again in 4 years. Just please, guard your money, all right? Guard your money, invest a little of it, put some of it away. I gotta go. I'll see you guys next time on Bite Me.